Philippians chapter 4, verse 13. 1, 2, go. Again. You guys sound like come on. He still wants to learn louder than you guys. Philippians chapter 4, verse 13. Go. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. There was a word when I was sitting there, Violetta and Tinata and Lima, spending hours like 5 to 7 days. Tomofile move. In English is what? Peace. And then, Paul said, I am not in need, but I am content with all that I have. What was Paul writing this letter for? What was Paul at when he wrote the Philippians? It was in jail. So picture this. He's in prison, right? And he said, I am not in need of anything, but I am content. How can he be content? How can he be content in prison? Pasamuha, dederaya sa mga mga white folk. Pag pinagmuha lang ang pagulaw ay